Hey guys, Matt here again for Udesly.com. In this video we are going to set up our dynamic content new to version 1.1 of Udesly Adapter. Dynamic content basically acts as another post content for any of your post types in WordPress. This could be your page, a blog post, or if you've set up custom post types, you could go ahead and use it there. So if we go to our blog post and we just click in one of these here that I've set up, and I just click edit post here and just type in to the dynamic box all the way down here some content, and we're just going to give this a H2 and a H4 just so we have some content to show you when we go ahead and convert it across. So then we just hit publish there, and then we will set this up in Webflow. So if you jump over to Webflow, I'm going to edit my post page template, but you could go ahead and edit a page template if you have set that up, or a page within your actual project. So what you want to do is add a text block. So just so we know that this is split up, what I'm going to do is duplicate my section, and I'm going to just delete that. Select my selection and add a separator style, and just give this a nice gradient color. So we've effectively left with our global div. What I'm then going to do is add a text block inside that global div there, and we are ready to give this an attribute. What we do is we go ahead and go to our attributes. So we give this an attribute of WP general and then EL short code, and then what we need to do is go ahead and type in the following text into this text block. So we want to do square bracket Udesly underscore dynamic underscore box, and then close square bracket. And there we go, we are done. We could go ahead and export this code and then convert using the Udesly adapter and set up our pages as we would do normally. So if we want to upload our template, give it a name, so dynamic box, and then I'm just going to put my pages there, put that one to do not convert because I don't want to convert that one, hit next, next again, and convert. And then we'll download this and upload it to our WordPress dashboard. So if we jump over to the Udesly import from Webflow option and import our pages and data, and then we can visit our front end of our site, go to our blog archive, and if we view one of these posts that we have just created, scroll down, we can see that we have our separator and our dynamic content down here. And obviously with this dynamic content you can go ahead and add images into there as well as links, and it will automatically pull from your default H1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 tags, along with the paragraph and block quote tags as well. So that is a neat way of adding dynamic content to your Webflow pages, as well as your page templates, and as well as your blog page template. And one last thing, if we want both of these two elements to be conditional if we have no dynamic content, for example if we don't want this to show, what we can do is add the following conditional elements to the sections. So if we select this one here, go to our attributes and type in WP conditional and then EL dynamic hyphen box, and then we can select on the other global section and add the exact same conditional elements. So EL dynamic hyphen box, like so. And when you go ahead and convert this across to your WordPress site again, both of these two objects will be removed from the page if you have no dynamic content. Now, as you can see with our Udesly dynamic content box, we have these here, and because we've added those conditional elements there, and we'll go to another blog post, you can see we do not have the splitter, and nor do we have the content there. Of course, you don't have to just do this for the sections. You can go ahead and do this for image tags if you want a certain image to be displayed if dynamic content is published. Anyway, my name has been Matt. I hope you got all the best from this tutorial. I hope you all the best.